Given the huge amount of rain we've had lately, I thought it'd be a great day to go outside and practice starting a fire with FireSteel. One of my favorite fire starters are using the alcohol prep pads. They work as well as the cotton covered in Vaseline or anything else. I think the better technique is to hold the striker against the cotton swab and then swipe the FireSteel across the top. It lights it pretty quickly, as you can see. The alcohol will burn very hot, and it will burn for quite a while. Next step would be to add tinder on top to continue your fire, but I decided to put it out using the foil wrapper, making sure it was cool. Just pitched it in the wet pine straw. One other thing to note is the stick I had behind it protecting my gear and protecting it from wind. Normally you'd want to start your fire with some sort of a backstop, and you'll see why in the next part of this video. I shaved some wood to serve as tinder and placed it on top of the alcohol prep pad for this part of the video. I also removed the stick behind it that I had before. Here I'm also using the conventional technique of running the scraper across the FireSteel. Notice what happened to the alcohol prep pad. It ended up under my gear. Keep your eye on the little black bag. Pretty soon you'll see the results of the alcohol pad that I thought did not light. There's the smoke, and where there's smoke, there's fire. The alcohol pad had caught fire, and as you can see, it melted the back of the small bag. This demonstration shows how easy it is to inadvertently start a larger fire than you meant to, and it serves as an induction into the slightly stupid department for me today. If you like this video, you know what to do and you know how to do it, so go ahead and do it. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment. Let us know if you'd like to see more videos or learn more about our gear. Thanks again for watching.